Looking to transform your living room for a fraction of the cost? Bring new life to your old, worn-out Wingback chair with Subrtex's 2-piece stretch cloud print slipcover. To install, remove the cover from the package and locate the tag labeled back. Begin by draping it over the furniture and properly place the cover's front section and back section. Starting at the top of the chair back, place the slipcover over the piece, lining up the shoulder seam. Then stretch the cover around to the arms and seat. Position the stretch and recover fabric to match the contours of your furniture's curves, and then allow it to relax naturally into place. Place the seat cushion back into position and tuck in all excess fabric into the crevices of the chair and smooth out all wrinkled sections. Your new wing chair slipcover is designed to hug the edges of your furniture and will stay tucked in. All Subrtex's slipcovers are machine washable for easy cleaning. Refreshing your decor is as easy as changing your wardrobe while maintaining and protecting your valued investments for years to come.